How to manage blocks in Drupal. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into Drupal. Now let's learn how to manage blocks. Click the Administer link. Then click the Blocks link. This is the Blocks Management page. Blocks are boxes of content that can be arranged and displayed in certain areas of your web page. Click the Add Block link. Enter the block description here. Scroll down. Click Save Block. That's it. The new block has been created. Here we can see a list of all blocks in our website, including which ones are enabled and which ones are currently disabled, including the new block we just created. Now let's edit the new block. Click here to show the new block on the left sidebar. When finished, click Save Blocks. That's all there is to it. To delete the new block we just set up, click the Delete link here. Click Delete to confirm. The block we created has now been deleted. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage blocks in Drupal.